Hi friends, welcome to Try and Error Acting. As everybody knows that nowadays, I'm making one series on voice exercises, and I'm just explaining that how we can improve our way of speaking, pronunciation, and voice pitch and all. So in under that series I have made 3 videos till now, and this is the fourth one. And in fact in last video I have explained you one exercise which was useful for the people who has there is a problem with, not exactly problem, but they don't have high pitch, okay, high voice pitch. So for them I have explained one exercise, and in addition to that I just want to give you one more exercise which will be very helpful for the people and who comes under the same category, whose voice pitch is not that much high, and a kind of voice cannot go kind of far. So for them this exercise is going to be very very helpful. And basically in this exercise it will do throat exercise, and it will do even tongue exercise as well, okay. And so basically the way last time we have done, in similar way it's kind of similar exercise. So what exactly we need to do, see, first you need to take the breath, okay. Once you have taken that, just, this is your tongue, right? Just try to stick this tongue to your upper, in your mouth, there is an upper layer, right? Just try to touch that with your tongue like this, okay. In this way you need to touch, and then you need to produce some sound. And in the similar way, the way we give acceleration to our vehicles, right, in bikes and all, in that way only we need to do it. And then we need to produce sound like trrr, trrr. See, your tongue, trrr, trrr. In this way you need to do it, okay. So I'll just give you the demo and that how it should be done exactly. Take the breath, then do okay. And in this fashion, first you need to go to high pitch, then reduce it to minimum level, then again come to middle, and in this way you need to fluctuate it, okay. So initially you can do it for 1 or 2 minutes, and later on with when you have done lots of practice, later on you can you can extend it till 10 minutes. No need to go more than that. 10 minutes is more than enough, okay. And of course whenever you feel that you are losing your breath, just take it again. I mean, say it's simple, there is no hard and fast rule. Just take it breath and then start doing it again, okay. So that is how you need to do it, and just make it part of your regular day-to-day life, okay. Because this is how you need to improve your voice if you don't have good pitch. And if in fact I'll recommend to the other actors also, who already has very good voice pitch and all, even they should do it. It's kind of, it will improve their voice more, okay. So just make it part of your daily life, daily routine. And yeah, if you have any question regarding it, you can ask me on comments section. And please guys, like this video and subscribe to the channel, okay. Don't forget to do that. And of course that click on that bell icon as well. And if you have any issue, just let me know. I'm here for you guys, okay. Bye bye, take care.